How to remove a credit card from Doordash. So what you want to do is first load up the Doordash application, and once you have logged into your Doordash account, we will click on Me found in the bottom right corner. From here we want to select settings, which is right here. I've just highlighted it, so click on settings, and then we will go into the payment section. Now what you want to know is that you can't delete your payment info if you only have one payment method associated with your account. So you need to associate another method here before you can delete your credit card. So for example, you can associate a PayPal or a Cash App Pay, Snap EBT cards, whichever one you want, but you will need to have more than one method active. Now afterwards, if you have more than one method active, payment method active, all you have to do is click on credit or debit card and swipe left. Once you have swiped left, then you will see a red delete button appear, and you just gotta click on delete, and that is going to remove your credit/debit card from Doordash. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.